The growing political clout of Tagwirei, the controversial businessman, Editatenda Mavetera, Minister of ICT and leader of Young Women for ED, is reportedly causing anxiety among ZANU-PF heavyweights amid deepening divisions over the party's succession dynamics. Sabina mashugulu is Iowa, Moita Kugeda Kumeno ZANU-PF, Vachichika heavyweights Panko Ine, Arkufunduka, Iowa, the ascension is with Tagwirei, Panko Ine. Kuchon Kunzi, their rise without dividing sleepless nights. Salabina Mashkoda, you go pangwa in the subscribe or like on the bell icon. Didn't know on Thursday, Avetera proudly announced that a young woman for ED had hosted the second edition of the Leadership Success Series in Bulawayo, focusing on the theme Lady Tenure, unlocking the potential of young people. Our guest of honor, Mr. Tagwirei, reaffirmed his support for our President, Dr. Mnangagwa, his vision on the land tenure program Mavetera side. He also gave a lot of insights on sustainable land reform as the chairperson of the Land Implementation Committee. Mavetera herself used the platform to push the government's digital transformation agenda. While the event showcased youthful energy and loyalty to President Mnangagwa, insiders say the growing visibility and influence of Tagwirei and Mavetera has sparked concern with the senior ZANU-PF circles. Tagwirei, long viewed as a key financier and behind-the-scenes power broker, is reportedly playing an increasing role in state policy and strategic decision-making. His chairmanship of Land Implementation Committee has only deepened fears that he is becoming a kingmaker in the party's post-Mugabe era. Mavetera's rapid rise within government and the grassroots mobilization of young women through the 4ED structure have also been interpreted as signs of her positioning in the ZANU-PF mega succession politics. So much for the Pangwa Ire, John Kokunze, Iowa, my heavy voice in the Limper ZANU-PF Akushawa Wope, Pangwa Ine Kuchone Kokunze, the rise in Peter, Vanama Vetera, Nakulabush Tagwirei, the influence of our names ZANU-PF. Yavakuvhundusa yavakuchitsa pina comment section yedu mafuro emu tudi pamusoro pechitwechi kana subscribe or like it on the bell icon.